Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful crochet dresses ideas and crochet costume ideas with the hoodie style and latest styles, long sleeves, different pattern looks, and next style is the most beautiful crochet pattern. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern dresses and crochet pattern purse, handbags, different ideas relate to reviews for this channel and most beautiful ideas. So I hope you like my videos and my channel. Guys, please see this video slowly and mention me comment section for your feedback and response. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern and crochet styling, reviews, and different styles, looks, crochet dressing up in crochet garments can be a wonderful way to different styles and your wardrobe your crochet skills and create unique personalized outfits. Here are some crochet dress up ideas for different ascensions and different styles ideas. So I hope you like it and create different style costume from your favorite movies, TV shows, or video games. Popular choices include fantastic uh, ideas and styles and different crochet outfit that match the theme of costume parties, such as a flapper dress for a great